pretty customary to start a meal with bread, right? But how often do you get fresh biscuits at the beginning of your meal, let alone biscuits with ham? And they're not hard to make, you just have to be a bit precise to make sure they come out the way you want. It starts with sifting dry, chilled ingredients into a bowl. Next, grate frozen butter into the dry ingredients and mix until the ingredients have a grainy-like texture, kind of like cornmeal. Then add the cold ham. Add very cold milk and mix until a dough is just created. You don't want to work the dough so much that the butter softens, but you do want the dough to get firm. Begin folding the dough onto itself at least 5 times on a very cold worktop. I put this marble in the freezer before working with the dough. Then roll the dough out to about a 1/2 inch in thickness. But try not to twist the cutter, which I'm not perfect at, to be honest, but just push straight down if you can. Try to get as many pieces from the dough as you can. Re-roll and then recut the dough until the dough is all used up. Place the biscuits so that they touch in your pan and bake at 475 for about 15 to 20 minutes until crisp and brown. And this is how they look when they're cooked. They're nice and brown, and you can see little bits of ham everywhere. These are absolutely ready for jam and butter, or for dipping into a rich, steaming bowl of soup.